Hi to all. Today we are going to discuss about the match the following type of questions in the CIS Data Foundation exam series. At least minimum 5 to 10 questions will give these match the following type of questions in CIS Data Foundation series. But these questions are very difficult. It will cover mostly topic was, and it will confuse like situations. So please go with thoroughness. Let's start. The question is, drag and drop the application service type to the best description. These options are the dynamic CA group and service mapping, and in the service mapping connection session and service mapping top down and tag based. These answers are we need to match the following correct answers. For the service mapping top down, and it's recommended for the mission critical applications requiring precise approach using patterns. And for the service mapping, it's a connection solution. It's the best fit to the map cloud native and container based or machine environments. And the top down means it's a pattern based accurate used for the critical applications. And the connection solution means it's auto data relationship and good for the dynamic cloud. Next question, tools for preventing, addressing and remediating duplicate CIS. These are the options. Option A, certification task. Option B, CMDB health dashboard. Option C, deduplication task. Option D, deduplication templates. And option E, duplicate CA remediator. We need to match the followings and segregate the accordingly. Here, deduplication task tool is for can be assigned to groups for resolving duplicate CAs, and for the CMDB health dashboard correctness scorecard. For the description is the offerings insights into the duplicate CAs within CMDB, and for the deduplication templates, offers solution to resolve deduplication task in bulk, and for the duplication CA remediator, it provides feature to resolve task individually. So simply we can discuss as if for the dashboard we can detect, and for the task we can assign, and for the templates some bulk fix, and for the remediator step-by-step merge. Next question, identification rule scenario with name and IP. We need to match the following. The option A is the CI1 updated and CI2 inserted as new. CI means configuration item. Option B, both inserted as new. The correct answer is CI1. Option A. If it means name matched, existing CA updated. If IP alone not sufficient, then new CA will create. The next question, CMDB health dashboard KPIs mapping. Here, these are the options. Option A, audit. Option B, stability. Option C, required. Option C, D, certify. Option E, suggestion. Next option, R1. We need to match the correct sequences. And here we are having the health metrics. Complete 3 C's are there: completeness, compliance, and correctness. For the completeness, we need to fill the required fields. And the compliance means audit purpose. And correctness means R1. R1 means it's without no relation. We need to correct that. And here the required fields are the completeness, audit results are the compliance, and R1 says the correctness. Next question. CMDB 360 are multi-source CMDB setup properties. So we need to match the correct following. And system property means we need to enable that property to appear the functionality. For example, enable CMDB 360 is we need to enable the system property of client.identification_engine.multisource. We need to enable that one. And for the multi-source for non-CMDB tables, we need to enable by glide.identification_engine multi-source_CMDB_CA. We need to enable that one. And for the enable logging, we need to add enable the glide.cmdb.logger.source.cmdb_multi-source. For limit recompute CA account means we need to enable the glide.identification_engine.multisource.recompute.max_CA_limit. We need to enable these options. So these are the properties control for the multi-source activation and logging performance limits. Next question. Match product with the description. These are the options. Agent client collector. Option B, ServiceNow discovery. Option C, service graph connectors. Option D, service mapping. So for ServiceNow discovery, the description is the automatically identifies devices or applications in network. For service graph connectors, these are the integration tool, integrates external systems. And for the service mapping, complete topology mapping. For agent client collector, ACC, it's a real-time endpoint visibility. Next question, CMDB ingestion tools mapping. You need to properly map the CMDB ingestion tool. The tool is agent client collector. We need to map by agent-based pattern solution. And for the input sets, organization built import. For the service graph connector, is a third-party integration tool. And for the ServiceNow discovery, it's a agentless discovery. Next question. For CSDM governance tools mapping, CSDM governance roles mapping, we need to map by suitable role. For the foundation, for the roles required is a service owner, platform owner role required. For the portfolio domain, we need to tech service owner and a app service owner and platform owner roles required. For the design, we need to enterprise architect and platform owner roles required. For the technical, enterprise architect, data steward, process owner, platform owner roles are required for the technical. These are the layers: foundation, portfolio, design, and technical layers. Next one. So a question is, an enterprise architect needs to help the CMDB owner understand the benefits of CSDM. Drag the CSDM domains to the respective benefits. We need to drag that options to the suitable answers. The options are the foundation, option B, design and planning, option C, service consumption, and option D, service delivery. We need to properly drag and match the followings. For the design and planning layer, we can understand the benefits of the understand CIS related to business applications and capabilities, identify redundancy and monitor cost, and plan roadmap investments. And for service delivery, benefit is understand technical services, service offerings, and support teams and relationships and infrastructure CIS. And service consumption, understand business services, ownership, cost, business value, and allow users to request access services. For the foundation layer, the benefit is use base system tables and core CMDB structure to derive value from the platform. Next question is, it means for the foundation layer, it's a base layer for CSDM. So it contains core CMDB tables and structure. So it's used by all ServiceNow products. The key concept is everything starts here, the key concept. And for the design and planning layer, so focus on business applications and capabilities, helps in the identification of duplicate apps and cost analysis and feature roadmap planning. And for the service delivery layer, you'll focus on technical services and infrastructure. It will connect with the servers and databases, networks, and support teams. Next, service consumption layer. It's a focus on business or user-facing services. It will cover the service usage, ownership, cost or value, service request. So the foundation is the base layer, and for the design and planning is a strategy, and for service delivery it will use in the operations, and service consumption it will use it for the users. That's it, guys. And last one is a platform owner is building the governance team to support the CSDM. Drag the domain to the roles that make up the governance team. We need to drag and properly match. The options include option A, design domain, option B, foundation domain, option C, portfolio domain, option D, technical domain. So for the foundation domain, the roles required is a service owners or platform owner. And for the portfolio domain, we need to technology service owner, an application service owner, and platform owner. For the design domain, we need the roles are enterprise architect, platform owner. For the technical domain, we need enterprise architect, data steward, process owner, platform owner. For the foundation domain, it's a focus on core platform and base CMDB structure. So roles ensure platform stability, base service ownership, and standard data foundation. For the portfolio domain, it will focus on the service and application ownership. The roles will required, and it will manage the application lifecycle and service accountability and business alignment. And for the design domain, we'll focus on architect and planning. The roles required is and the roles useful for the standards and CSDM structure and feature roadmap. And for the technical domain, it will focus on CMDB operations and data quality. Roles ensures the accuracy data and process governance and relationship integrity. So these are the key concepts. For the foundation is a platform base and portfolio service owners, and for the design architects, technical is a data and process. That's all, guys. We completed up to 70 questions. Remaining 5 questions will be pending. It will cover in the next video. If you have facing any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Wish you all the best.